All right, for the last test of the shootout, again, we have the Mavic 2 Enterprise, and same pilot, Travis Calendine, going to fly it. And again, this is going to be an exterior to interior flight, and then we're going to see how far we can go before he loses signal into this. This is a hospital building. And that's cinder block on the outside with all kinds of office walls and metal objects and stuff on the inside. So this is real. I mean, this is a typical scenario. It's not some empty warehouse. So whenever you're ready, Travis. Easy there, Hot Rod. That's my drone. All right. Okay, so right here is where all the others failed, where we lost signal, and all the others was right in here. Why don't I get out your? I don't know if he's still got good signal or not. Oh, that's it. Looks like. Maybe.
Yeah.
Looks like he went into a hover. Okay, well, interesting. So from exterior, so interior, the Mavic 2 Enterprise got significantly further. Exterior to interior, when we add that cinder block wall in there, it was only maybe about 20 feet, right?
Yeah, 20, 25 at the absolute most.
Yeah, so if that. So okay, well, that was interesting. So let's bring it back. That was a really good test. That's again, this is real world kind of stuff. Does really good. One thing I noticed, I want to ask Travis. It seemed to me. So you lost signal. By the way, you're only maybe 10 to 20 feet further than normal. Hey, I want to ask you something, Travis, real quick. I noticed whenever I was following and observing them, I want to get your input on this. It seemed like the on the Mavics, of course, it was stable and everything, but it seemed like you had a little bit more, got pushed around a little bit more. Did you have to do a little more correction than the other two?
Yes, I agree. It seems like the other two correcting while I'm flying is not as prevalent as the Mavic is. The Mavic seems to, with the prop wash, I'm assuming, it seems to be pushing it around a little more,
Okay.
so I have to do a lot of correcting as I'm navigating the hallways.
Okay, so while obviously the Maverick, especially all interior, definitely has better signal penetration. Probably if we were going to give some constructive criticism to DJI, it would be that little bit more stability and not as influenced by prop wash and pushed around because I mean here they're pretty wide hallways, as you can see here.
I'm trying to stay in the middle, so.
Right, and so if we had to get into a hallway as wide as that door or something, the challenges get a lot more extreme. So
Agreed.
Anyway, all right, cool. Well, good test, guys, and hopefully we can get this information out to the people that need it.
Prop wash.